If you find our content informative or enjoyable, we would like you to consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and activating the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the videos we put out in the future. Our review today will be a bit different than the ones we usually do. Today, we're talking about an interesting and innovative crypto trading system, the Bitiplex Codes app. The gist of it is that it's an automated trading software that promises unprecedented precision. However, before we get to the center of it all, we need to take a few steps back. Auto trading has been there for a while, but it always seems to come with a catch. As such, we'll address some concerns before explaining the app itself. The first thing you need to pay attention to is, of course, security. Cryptocurrencies and crypto services are less secure than traditional financial services by nature. That's because they've been around for shorter, and slow regulators and legislators haven't adapted yet. As such, there's often very little formal protection present, and crypto traders need to look out for themselves. However, we're glad to report that the Bitiplex Codes app looks entirely secure based on our investigation. The app repeatedly cautions you to be wary of the risks of crypto trading and market volatility. It also has numerous caution signs saying that you shouldn't invest more than what you're comfortable with. Additionally, its promotional claims are in line with what the service actually offers. All that directly conflicts with how crypto scammers behave. On top of that, it's clear that the service tries to help and guide traders so that you won't get lost, even if you're new. All that has earned the BTC Bitiplex Codes app a fantastic security score from us. Now we can continue on to the service itself. We're glad to say that the registration and verification procedures are fairly simple and unintrusive. You only need to submit rudimentary info to get a Bitiplex Codes app account. Of course, that info may vary a bit depending on your jurisdiction, but it shouldn't be a problem. However, before you actually start working on the app, you'll need to deposit a minimum of $200. That's not surprising since you need money to start trading, and the app uses the deposit as a verification of your risk profile. The low initial investment threshold makes the Bitiplex app readily available to even beginner traders, unlike other auto trading software. The app itself is a pure auto trading platform without much need for user input. Of course, you can set your preferences regarding coin preference in trading settings, but the app does the heavy lifting for you. Since one of the biggest benefits of auto traders is the time you save, the question of how much time you need to use the app per day arises naturally. There's no strictly correct answer to that, but the app is entirely autonomous. That means it will run well even if you don't check it at all. However, we suggest at least a short daily check-in to see if everything is running well. For the platform itself, it's also important how accurate it is. Due to using blockchain data in an innovative way, the Bitiplex Codes app has been able to reach a 99.2% precision rate. That means it's more accurate than all but the best traders in the world. One thing that we'd also like to touch on is the coin variety. In the crypto world, if you only rely on small coin moonshots, you may find success, but it's usually short-lived. The app uses some obscure coins, but also relies on leaders such as BTC and ETH, creating a trading environment that's both stable and profitable.